you got a flat side. Hey, Watchmaker, I want to know if you got a flat side. Watchmaker, Worldwide 75 said you got a flat side. Break.
I got a flat tire in this old Arkansas spark over here. No two ways about it.
You ought to get that dipole. You ought to turn on that flat side dipole there, break.
It's sitting on the ground right now. I got the shockwave up, but the dipole's sitting on the ground.
Hey, full team Roger, man, I got a little flat side on that great big tower up there, man, so you might be able to hear me a little bit gooder on it, but you say your dipole's on the ground, so you definitely can't do the deal with it. Hey, Watchmaker, you still got it going on around the Carolinas? Shockwave to shockwave, your Worldwide 75, getting on up.
Motion value conjure. To slap right on top of it. Hey, I hope you're going to wipe having a blessed year. And yeah, mine's been pretty incredible. A75, your Watchmaker on the shockwave, right back.
All right, there, Watchmaker. You take care, brother. Always a pleasure to put a broken spoke on you. Ain't no two-way doubt about it. We appreciate all the kind words. I hope you and the fine family be blessed throughout 2019. My longtime friend, Mr. Watchmaker, your Worldwide 75 on the world's most hated shockwave. Tough, fellas. I'm trying to make it out. This shockwave is not separating. Your Watchmaker, I'm going to pull on back. Get out the way for a few minutes and let it happen. Radio land. Triple nickel. Bottom south hall yard waving. Breaker. And I get that audio 111. Triple nickel. Bottom side of this house. Hey, Watchmaker, I pumped it up to a 100 Burr Watt carrier. Hey, Watchmaker, I pumped it up to a 100 Burr Watt carrier, man. I'll see if I can make that trip one more again. Hey, Watchmaker 75, easing back, I'm listening. Looks like Mother Nature's shifting back and forth, so I ain't got no conditions back in the sand pile. Let me ease on out of the way with my 100 Burr Watt carrier. Your 75 is back quiet.
Well, man, you sounding good there. This one out there. I got big long genius with 50 meters, man. 420.
420, I can't get away from you. Hey, 420, I can't get away from you, man. You all out here in the Carolinas all day long. 420-75 is listening.
875, got a 1800 E's up in the party. 875 on 1800.
Hello, 1800. Yes, sir, man. I caught you on this video gate when I flipped from the vertical to the horizontal, man. You come up great big. Hello to you, man. Sounding real good. Worldwide 75 is waving. Let's go.
Yeah, right on 75 sounding real good around BB Dollars, man. 875 sounding real good. Hope you're looking and feeling good inside it. 75 on 1800 with the 2019 wave is gone.
Hey, 1800, I greatly appreciate it, man. We definitely doing good over here, man. We blessed to have a day off and be in good health and get out here in the shack out back and play around. Have a good one out there and be blessed throughout 2019. You and the fine family be good, brother. We'll put it on you later. And I'm going to upload this video to the Worldwide 75 YouTube channel. Have a good one. Be blessed. You know who said it. I'm back quiet.
Take care, 75. Take care.
All right, buddy. Always a pleasure putting Speak and Spoke on you. You know who said it. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube as soon as I get done with it. Worldwide 75 is back quiet.
Oh damn, Worldwide 75.
Worldwide 75 on the world's most hated shockwave. Hey, Watchmaker, if you can still hear me, man, I'm gonna ease on out of here, brother. Baby doll done told me that she got lunch for me, so I got to go. Have a good one, Watchmaker. 75 is gone. All right, man. Appreciate y'all. I had a couple of you coming here together, man. I'm gonna ease on out of the way, ain't no doubt. 75 is gone. Click, click.
Time around US 505 Jackson, Mississippi, read